What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. So in this one we're going to talk about a very important topic that is often dismissed in affiliate marketing, and if you want to make money you got to have this thing. Now this is a very small thing, but you have to implement it correctly in your pages, anything you create, if you want to make money. Alright guys, it's a very important thing. I'm going to show you examples of doing it right and doing it wrong. Alright, so you see what I mean exactly in details. So before we start, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate that, guys. So subscribe if you want to see more videos like this every single day. I'm making quick videos, just sharing cool, awesome tips with you guys. So definitely subscribe if you're not a subscriber. So let's talk about this. Alright guys, so what is this? So the idea with consistency is that you want to have a united message, you know, all over your campaign on every single step. Okay, now this helps. Why? Because this allows the customer, the visitor, to stay on your campaign, on the funnel basically, without getting confused. Now think about this for a second. So your funnel starts probably with an ad or traffic source, whatever that thing is, and let's say, you know, we're going to draw a very simple funnel. I'm going to show you examples, but we're going to draw a simple funnel. We're going to have an opt-in, right? So we're going to have an opt-in, and then let's say we have a pre-sale page. Again, we're drawing a very simple funnel. And then there's the pre-sale page. We got a video maybe on it, something like that, right? And then we have a let's say a sales page. Okay, so very simple funnel. Let me make this smaller. There you go. So very simple funnel, right? Very simple funnel. Now, one of the biggest mistakes people make when it comes to building something like this is that their message is all over the place. Okay, now this is going to be very confusing. I've seen this because we at university, we do a lot of tests. Okay, we do a lot of tests when it comes to conversion rates. We do heat map, like scanning, all that stuff. So this allows us to understand why people drop, like why people don't go through a funnel. You know, is it the traffic? Is it the pages? Now, one of the things that we often see is that people get confused with the messaging. Okay, let me explain this. So let's say on your ad, or let's say in this case you do advertising for your affiliate offers. Let's say you do native ads, whatever, right? So in this case, you say, let's say, lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks. So that is your message on your ad. Okay, so say you lose 20 pounds. Let's just put it right here. Lose 20 pounds. Sorry, my keyboard is not on the right. Lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks. There you go. Okay, so that is your message right there, right? And then they get on the opt-in page, the landing page. The biggest mistake is that let's say the landing page says you want to lose weight. Click to download this thing. Click enter your information to download. Now the problem with this, you see the problem with this? The problem with this messaging is that people are confused, right? People are going to be confused. So on ad it said lose 20 pounds, right? But now here it says enter you want to lose weight. Did you forget about 20 pounds that you promised me when I clicked the ad? Right? So this is what I mean by consistency. And it's a very simple thing, but you know, obviously this is a very extreme example of it. And then it can get even worse when you get to the pre-sale page. You know, the pre-sale page can have another headline, which is going to make it even more weirder. You know, like you can have one headline here, and you can have one headline here, and then again you can have the second headline. It's just, and then there is one headline in the ad. So again, it can make it very, very confusing. As I said, this isn't a very extreme example, okay, but I'm going to show you more subtle examples of it. And this is not in people's funnels, this is in my own funnels, because when I make a funnel, at the end I check this. I have a checklist and I just check this particular issue with my funnels. Am I having this? Am I doing this right? And this needs to be not just on your ad and opt-in page. Again, it can be anything really, but this needs to follow the same thing on the on every page. The pre-sale page as well. Now I'm going to tell you. Let me give you a very important lesson. If you're if you're doing affiliate marketing, you're usually promoting someone else's product, right? Now, keep this in mind. This is the most important thing. You're obviously promoting someone else's product. And when you do that, there's one page you don't have any control over, right? What is that page? That page is the sales page, right? This is the sales page of the product. You don't have any control over it. So what do? The best thing you can do if you don't have any control over that sales page, the headline of it, right? What you can do is you match your funnel with that sales page, meaning that the consistency of your funnel on your ads, whatever the traffic source, your pages, pre-sale pages, opt-in page, whatever you have, needs to follow the headline of the sales page of the product you're selling. So you have to follow that. And if you do that, your conversion rates are going to increase majorly. Significantly, you're going to get a major, big conversion rate increase. So it's a very, very important thing to follow. All right, so let's show you some examples. This is very important, okay? So this is the first example. This is an example of a bad implementation. So, we have this page that our team is building. So as you see, it's a very simple one. Free video reveals how to earn passive income for free without selling. So it seems okay for now, right? But now this is the next page. This is the pre-sale page. Take a look. Watch how to earn $300 to $1,000 a day for free using a brand new done-for-you passive income system. Now, you see, this seems okay, right? But here's the problem with this. The problem with this is that it doesn't have the language that we used here. Think about it, guys. People signed up. Sorry, I'm opening applications. People signed up in this case to learn about this, right? How to earn passive income for free without selling anything. Now on next page, it doesn't say anything about this without selling anything, right? See what's happening? That is the issue, right? And next page, when people see this, most of the people are not even going to be watching this video. Most of the people are not going to be even looking at this. They're just going to be like, oh, I'm closing this page. See what's happening? So this is a problem. This is one of the biggest reasons that people spend money and spend time to get traffic. And it depends on what kind of traffic source you're getting. And they don't get anything in return because there's no consistency in their campaigns. All right. Let me show you another example. This is actually a better example. This is more subtle. All right. Now, this is actually passable, but we're still working to improve this. So this is a article page, okay, editorial page if you want to call it. So editorial page, and then we have this headline. Take a look. 5 tips to burn stubborn belly fat over the holidays while still enjoying all your favorite foods. Right? Seems okay. So this is the page that people are going to be landing from the advertising. Okay, and in case if you're wondering, this is a type of page where we run native ads too. Okay, so then after this, they're gonna click, okay, on these links, whatever they see here, and they see this: 21 days to a slimmer, sexier you. So take a look. Let me actually go back real quick. There you go. So I want you to see the inconsistencies in the headline here, right? Stubborn belly fat, enjoy your holiday, whatever, and then slimmer. Now the problem with this is that if you want to get into details, they're not like related to each other, You know, in the headline here, right, we're talking about a very specific issue, right? Stubborn belly fat. And then the next one, we're talking about something very general. You know, it doesn't say anything about the belly fat. So if someone wants to lose belly fat and they land on this page and they go to the next one, they're gonna be like, where's the belly fat? Is the solution that I'm about to get, is it going to help the belly fat? And I'm gonna tell you, people are not gonna waste their time finding out. They're gonna close the page immediately. See what's happening? So this is what I mean by consistency. It's everything, guys. It's the most important thing you'll ever do. It's important to implement it, you know, and the thing is that it doesn't cost anything. You just need to spend some time going through your campaigns to learn, like, figure this out and just improve it. You don't have to be perfect at it, just improve it. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you subscribe. I hope you got some value from it. Make sure you subscribe, so because I'm posting videos every single day, help you guys out. So make sure you subscribe. Also like this video so more people will find it. Really appreciate that. And one more thing, if you want to learn more, click the link in the description. That's going to take you to the training that you can learn all this stuff. And if you want to learn to do affiliate marketing the right way, you should definitely check out that link. Alright guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one tomorrow.